Hi there. This is a refresher tutorial on how to access the ELiS platform and then complete the asynchronous KickUp training. First, you're going to sign into the ELiS platform. If you've never signed into ELiS or your username and password aren't saved, just click the APS employees click here to sign in box. It's an SSO, so it'll take you straight into ELiS. You'll get to the home page. Scroll down until you get to the big orange button that says KickUp Resources. This will take you to all of the KickUp resources available in the district. The asynchronous module that you need to complete is 0 Virtual Orientation 5-minute overview of KickUp. You'll click on that. It will take you straight to the video and the learning content. Watch the video, go through the slide deck, and then you're done. Feel free to download your certificate to give to your ETS or VILS coach if required. I hope you enjoy learning about KickUp and look forward to learning more when we return in July. Happy summer!